since we've done a video. So let's get started. So how this works, we're going to be making slime, but we don't get to choose our colors. The mystery bowl chooses our colors. We're going to pick out colors and stuff like that. So let's get started. First, obviously we need to put some glue. So glue. Open this up. And at the very end, activator. So I don't know how much glue I should put, about that much. Okay, that's a lot. So this is how much I put. I might need to put more later, but that's how much I'm gonna put for now. That's enough for now. So this is how much I've got. I think I put a little more than Sam, but that's okay. So I think I have enough glue. Now we're going to grab the mystery bowl and we're going to see what colors. Let's go first. Rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! I go first. Let's see what color I get. I wonder. Yellow slime. Okay. So I'm going to be using yellow. Yellow looks like red. It's weird. So I can't put too much because it's strong, but I might put a little more because it's yellow, a light color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of yellow, because yellow is kind of a light color, so it might not be that. I dropped the lid in the slime. Okay. Oops. Sam, you can choose from the mystery bowl. Now my hands are yellow.
Please get like red or green or blue.
Green! Green slime. So put around like 3 drops because food coloring is strong.
I'll put 4 drops.
I'm going to start mixing mine.
1, 2,
Oh yeah.
4. That's enough.
Okay. Now we're going to be mixing ours. When we get the final color, we'll show you. So we are done mixing. So let's show them ours. So I'm not that done, but I like how mine is a yellow color. I don't know what it looks like on your screen. It looks kind of green, but it's yellow and I really like it.
Mine is actual neon green. Yeah, it doesn't look that good, but we'll see.
I think it looks good. Now that I think mine is pretty mixed for now, I'm going to add my activator. Da-da-da. Okay. So I don't know how much I should add. I'm just gonna add a little bit to start it. Okay, I think that's enough. Don't put too much.
I know.
Okay, let's mix this up.
Soon we're gonna start needing to mix with our hands.
This is starting to come together. So let's. Mine is starting to come together really good.
Mine is coming together really good too.
It's like turning into slime. Super excited.
So far, so good.
So mine is like slime now. So I think we're gonna start mixing with our hands. So we have our slimes here on our table. We're gonna start mixing with our hands. And I think mine is already kind of done. So let me get you a close-up look of my slime. I love it. It's kind of sticky, but I think I can fix that with activator and stuff. But I really like it. It's so stretchy and kind of like, it's really buttery too. Sam, now you can sew your stuff.
So this is my slime. Still a little sticky, but it's pretty good.
You just have to play with it a lot.
Yeah. So this is my slime.
So we are going to name our slime, and in the comments you will say which slime is better. If you think my slime won, comment down #lemon_slime.
If you think my slime won, #neon green slime.
That is really neon. Well, right now we were thinking of doing a bonus round. So we are going to make one more slime for our bonus round. Okay, it's time for the bonus round. I hope I get blue. I hope I get red. Or no. I hope I get blue. Oh, does it have pink at all? They do, I think. So let's first start off with the glue.
Well, the red will turn out pink, I bet. Since it's white.
So let's put in that glue. That was too much, I think. So got my white glue in there. I think that was a lot. It's okay. So now that we have these, it's time for the mystery bowl. Rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first again! I'm on this winning streak. Okay. I got a color again. Blue! I got blue!
Darn it.
Okay. Not yet. I need a pink. Fine. Okay.
I got red, which is going to turn out pink.
You got red? It won't turn out pink. It's gonna
Because it's white glue.
still. Okay. I got my blue food coloring. I won't open. There we go.
I like pink, so it's fine.
Okay. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4. I think that's enough. 4. Okay. So let's mix it. We will show you our final results when we're done. Okay, back. Let's mix mine.
Mine's turning to get pink. And I kind of like this color.
I have like a baby blue so far. That is so pretty.
I love my pink. It's not really red.
Oh, I kind of like it though. It's good. I really like it. Okay, I love my color. So I'm gonna show you guys the color that I have. I have this like baby bluish. It's lighter in real life, but on the screen, on the camera, it looks like really dark. But it's so light and so pretty, and I like it.
So this is mine. It's more pink than red. So I'm gonna add my activator.
Okay. And it's turning out so good. I love my color.
So far, I really like mine.
Okay, I'm gonna add activator. So let's see, activator, magical activator.
Magical liquid.
Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so we're still mixing, and it's coming together. So I think we can start
Mixing with our
our hands. Ooh, that's sticky.
Okay.
Really sticky. I might actually mix add a little more activator before I start with my hands.
Yeah. I will stick my hand in the
I'm just gonna do a little bit.
Yeah. I need some activator too.
So now let's just mix a little more with my spoon, and we will get to the fun part where we mix with our hands. Okay, wait. I think mine's pretty ready for the hands to come in. So without further ado, spoon down.
Okay, I think I put too much activator actually.
It feels so good. I'm gonna come over to show
It's
you.
so slippery.
Just let the activator sit in. So this is my slime right now. It's sticky to my hands a lot because like I just got out of the bowl. I'm just gonna be playing with it more to see if it stops getting so sticky. But I love this one. Man, it is super dark on the camera screen or whatever. But it's so pretty. Sam's turn.
Okay, this is mine. It didn't exactly turn out red. It turned out more pink.
Maybe you should have added more drops of food coloring. But it still looks so good.
I know. I like it pink. I'd rather have pink than red.
Well, let's see. Mine for this slime, the name is going to be, wait, so if you think that my slime won for round 2, comment down below. I don't have a name yet. Sam, you go.
So if you think mine won, comment down below. Hashtag red slime turned out pink.
And if you think my slime won, go down in the comments and write down baby blue slime. Hashtag baby blue slime. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Click that subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.